Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their headlamp. This is a 2-pack of headlamps. Take them out of here, show you what you get. Look at that, even individually boxed. 1, 2, nice. Nothing else in this box. And well, since they're identical, I'm just gonna open one. So these headlamps have 8 different modes and the brightness is 1200 lumens. Get a nice little instruction guide, an included micro USB cable for charging, and then inside this nice bubble wrap is the LED headlamp. So it's nice and stretchy. It can fit any size head, one size fit all. You've got your micro USB port right here to charge. You've got a battery indicator on the side, and so when you press your power button, you can see how much charge you have. And there's mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's all of the modes. You can see it's even adjustable right here. So when you have it on your head, nice and easy to move around. That's essentially what would come inside of this packaging. The 2 headlamps, your charger, your 1200 lumens light. Perfect for when you're working on something and need light and need to be hands-free. These are a great way to go, and plus they're rechargeable. Thanks again to the company for sending them to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.